Have you ever wondered about the incredible journey of an egg? From the moment it's laid to ending up on your breakfast plate, it goes through quite an adventure. It all starts right here in the chicken coop. Hens, like the ones you see here, lay eggs daily. These eggs are the beginning of a remarkable journey. Once an egg is laid, it's carefully collected by farmers to ensure its freshness and quality. Farmers are meticulous about collecting eggs, handling them with care to avoid cracks and maintain their pristine condition. Next, the eggs are sorted and inspected. Only the finest ones make it to the next stage. These eggs are then washed and sanitized to remove any dirt or bacteria. After cleaning, the eggs are carefully packed into cartons, ready for transport. Each carton is labeled with information about the egg's freshness and grade, ensuring consumers receive eggs of the highest quality. Once packed, the eggs begin their journey to distribution centers and stores. During transport, it's crucial to maintain the eggs at the right temperature to preserve their freshness. Modern refrigerated trucks ensure that eggs stay cool and safe during transit, preventing spoilage and maintaining their nutritional value. At distribution centers, eggs are unloaded and inspected once more to ensure they meet quality standards before being sent to grocery stores. Finally, the eggs arrive at your local grocery store, where they await your selection. Once purchased, they make their way to your kitchen, where they can be transformed into countless delicious dishes. Whether you prefer them scrambled, poached, or in a cake, eggs are versatile ingredients that play a vital role in many recipes. And there you have it, the ultimate journey of an egg from farm to table. Next time you enjoy eggs for breakfast, remember the incredible journey they've taken to get to your plate. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the journey of an egg, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more ultimate food adventures. Share your favorite egg dishes in the comments below. Until next time, bon appetit.